Here is a 2018 310 SLX from SeaRay. This boat has twin Mercury 6.2 liter 350 horsepower engines with 50 hours. This has the teak swim platform, nice sun pad. As you walk through, you'll see that we have a great expansive cockpit with L-shaped seating there. On the starboard side, you have your entertainment center and seating, along with a grill and cockpit refrigerator. As we move to the helm of the boat, you'll see that we have the Mercury DTS throttle and joystick from Axios with active trim. We have the digital dash and your vessel view engine monitor. On the port side, we have the co-captain's seat and head compartment with sink. As you move to the bow, you'll see you have a very big open bow with flip up armrest. You have side grab handles and cup holders. You'll also have your spotlight and your windlass anchor. Also on the 310, you have the nice hard top that has the sunroof option available in it. Here it is closed. You can just push back, and this opens up, gives you a ton of light throughout the day. It also has the extendable surshade where this bimini will go all the way out and give you shade on top of the sun pad. If you want more information or want to take this boat for a demo, contact Kyle Barkfried with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, 573-692-6564.